Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in into Stripe through website. To log in into Stripe, all you need to do first is make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Once it's done, go to Google Chrome and type www.stripe.login.com. After that, you can see this type of interface in your screen. Now go to the top left corner and click on sign in option. Once you click on that option, you will see this type of options in your screen. Simply add your email address and a password. Once you are done, click on a continue button. After you click on that button, you will be simply logged in into Stripe through website. That is how easily you can log in into Stripe through website. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.